Yeah, but going to an extent कि आप मार ही दो दूसरे बंदे को, that's a bit odd.
Yeah, that's why it makes news. Why
Yeah.
do people think it's okay to just kill their would-be partners instead of just you know, going against their own family? Like, how is it so much ingrained that you cannot disappoint your parents?
I'm a bitch. You can say whatever you want to me, but मुझे जो करना है मैं वो ही करूँ. I'm not listening to anyone now. I've been nice enough.
Hmm.
I'm done now.
Huh?
She is a working woman. She is making
Yeah,
money.
it's just a money-making scheme, which I agree with quite a lot.
Exactly.
It's just going back in time and promoting something which we should have rejected.
Do that.
Hmm.
Not being nice is the nicest thing you can do to yourself. Hello.
Hi, Arshia, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Ishita?
I am great as well. So, what are we discussing today?
So we've got a lot of stuff today to discuss.
Did you read about that stuff in the news आजकल Sia Goyal murder case? The woman in India जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में है because she allegedly pushed her fiance from a ledge with the help of her boyfriend because she did not want to get married, Sia Goyal, and she was
Hmm.
very young और उसका जो होने वाला fiance he was extremely rich. And apparently, she did not want to disappoint her parents, so she decided to do the best thing one can think of, which is to, yeah, just kill your fiance.
I mean, I could believe it, but still, so many things are coming up now, killing their men. So it's all about like men are in a great fear now. But for a 22-year-old girl to plan this amount of things, she must have a या तो बिल्कुल ही criminal bent of mind था या बिल्कुल ही brainwashing.
You have to be a criminal
There are a
bent
lot of
of mind. There is no way someone can brainwash me into murdering even when I was 20, 22. It's crazy.
yeah. I think there is another perspective there that whenever a crime is committed and female के ऊपर आता है तो वो केस इतना ज़्यादा हाईलाइट हो जाता है
Hmm.
कि a female has committed a crime. On the
Yeah.
other hand उसके साथ-साथ चाहे 5 डाउरी डेथ्स हो रही हो या 5 मेल्स ने करा हो तो वो इतना हाइलाइट नहीं होता है बिकॉज़ समवेयर इट्स डीपली रूटेड कि फीमेल्स कैन नॉट कमिट सच अ क्राइम.
Hmm.
It's only that males are more aggressive and they commit such a कि now females are committing murders or female yeah, it's a big hype now.
Yeah, that is true. I guess we are more desensitized to men killing women. But I think like the counter to that is कि अभी वो जो केस हुआ था डाउरी केस ट्विशा था उसका नाम
Trisha, yeah.
that was like really highlighted in the news as well. So it's not like men murdering or abetting the murder
Yeah.
is not
No,
highlighted.
उसमें भी they everybody is focusing on the
Mother-in-law.
mother-in-law. सो फीमेल वहाँ पे भी कर रहे हैं। मैंने उसको कोई नहीं कह रहा है कि इसने करा है, उसके हस्बैंड ने मारा है।
Hmm.
इट्स ओके हस्बैंड ने मारा पर मदर इन लॉ ने क्यों सपोर्ट किया? लाइक फीमेल्स के लिए आप कहें कि शी कैन नॉट कमिट अ क्राइम। दैट वाज़ द एसेंस ऑफ दैट पोस्ट।
Yeah, it's like a male-dominated field where females are getting more and more
या
involved. You're like, oh, that's a novelty. Oh, औरत ने मारा.
या
Yeah, okay. Okay. That's a different way to think about it. Yeah.
बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स नॉट
No,
गुड टू मर्डर योर पार्टनर फॉर
not
सच
good.
अ थिंग जस्ट फॉर शादी।
Not. Have you heard of the thing called 4B movement?
नो व्हाट्स दैट?
So 4B movement is a movement that was originated in South Korea. It is a radical feminist concept which started at 2016 ke around. I mean, there are 4Bs in it, which is Korean language mein, which is no sex with men, no marriage with men, no having children, and no dating with men. So it's like a total rejection of men from the life of a woman. So
ओह!
it came because South Korea is a patriarchal society, conservative society, and women
हुँ।
wanted to have their rights, and so this movement grew. And even US में Trump elect हुआ था उस time पे the 4B movement was in the news because they were like they American women want to adopt this movement as well because they feel oppressed in the society. And I have heard of similar-ish things are happening in India as well. You hear about women who are delaying their marriages, or who are, we don't want to get married and on the terms of men hai.
I've heard, yeah, news like people, women getting married to themselves. I've heard news कि अपने आप से ही शादी कर
Oh
ली है
really?
and it's
India mein?
or yeah, women. She got married to herself. She's very happy with herself and she doesn't want to spend time with any men and waste her time.
Okay.
So she literally wore pura attire and she married herself.
Wow. Even in my own circle of people that I know, I have seen mere cousins and all. I see them reluctant to get married because they don't want to move to the husband side of the family. They don't want to get married on the terms जो अभी तक हमारे culture में थी
Yeah.
कि a woman moves to the husband side or she bows down to
Mm,
जो भी husband की वो है system है. They don't want to do that.
yeah.
So I think the backlash is there, and they're delaying their marriages, delaying having children. So the more educated and the more society is evolving, even in India, it is like
Mm.
that rejection of that system. Hai, women get married, have kids. I don't know if it is good or bad for the society, but your thoughts?
आई थिंक वुमेन इन इंडिया दे नीड टू लिव नाउ। अभी तक जो होता था कि चलो भाई शादी हो गई, नाउ दे डोंट हैव देयर लाइफ। तो वो जो एक आइडिया है ना कि एक बार आपकी शादी हो गई, यू डोंट हैव एनी लाइफ, एवरीथिंग विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इन लॉज एंड योर
And even if
हस्बैंड
not
एंड
in-laws, even
एवरीथिंग।
if you're living away from them, once you have kids, like life does change quite a lot
ऑफ
for a
कोर्स
woman
या
especially.
Yeah, and women in India has recently had that freedom,
Yeah.
financial freedom, and हर जगह से they are very independent now. They want to enjoy that thing. They don't want to let it go to someone और उसके पीछे पीछे सारी जिंदगी घूमते रहो या बच्चे करो. So people are enjoying their independence and they're self-sufficient. They don't need anyone.
Hmm.
आजकल you may need someone emotionally, but financially, I don't think so. Most of the women who make these kind of decisions, they need financial support.
Unfortunately, like emotional support from men is really, really hard. I think financial support might be easier to get. But yeah, carry on.
So recently, one of my friends, she was like, "I don't want to get
Hmm.
married, but I want कि मैं I want a companion. या अगर आपको कुछ काम करना है तो उसमें आपको you need a companion like a phrase,
Hmm.
but just to have a companion कि कहीं घूमने जाना है तो everyone is like they have company, they have their family. So
Hmm.
आप कब तक solo घूमते
Companionship,
रहोगे? You
yeah.
need a companion
Hmm.
now. It's so I don't think so. They find it in marriages because marriages comes with a lot of things in India. It's just not companionship. It's a whole year life changing event.
The
So probably that's the reason that women are on a backhand now कि अब थोड़ा शादी को लेके कि देखते हैं करनी होगी तो they need the right partner I think इतना ज़्यादा अगर आप किसी को फोर्स करोगे तो फिर मर्डर ही होंगे उसके बाद तो अगर शादी जबरदस्ती कराओगे
we are not condoning murders here. We don't want murders, but yeah. No, no, no. But I just feel like when I see India mein, then I see that contrast America mein. Like there is this trad wives concept here, especially on social media. Have you seen that one?
no
Okay, so there is this trad wives जो कि social media पे बहुत होता है. There's a very famous social media influencer. She's called Nara Smith. And yeah, she's a model and influencer, but like she's good looking, and she's into like
Mm.
oh, my husband was craving something XYZ today, तो वो garden में जाएगी, garden से चीजें लेके आएगी. Like she'll do everything from the scratch.
oh
And she has kids as well. And this trad wives concept has really caught on, which is basically
mm.
ट्रेडिशनल वुमेन जो कि पुराने ज़माने में होती थी, जो कि सब कुछ स्क्रैच से करती थी, जैसे हम में भी हमारी दादियाँ होती थी, नानियाँ होती थी.
Mm. Why do they want to do that
Well, first of all, I feel like it's more of a marketing thing. Like these women on
ah
social
okay
media are definitely making a lot of money because of doing that, because it's a very novel concept, right? Because we only see
mm.
boss women, career
ah
women. So
okay
this is a bit of a novelty कि old जो पुराने ज़माने में females होती थी जो कि बैठ के ये बना रही हैं scratch से, वो बना रही है. Like one day she was making cough syrup के लिए something. I was like, wow.
really
Yeah, yeah, this and then there are multiple replicas of her on social media now. Women who are
ah
interested in staying at home and being a very good wife and a mother. At least social media pe this trend has caught on.
mm.
So they have kind of glamorized this concept of
ah
trad wives. एंड मैं कहीं
That's interesting.
पढ़ रही थी एना हैथवे जो हॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस है,
Hmm.
शी bought the rights of a book which talks about an influencer, trad wife influencer, जो कि she time travels to the 19th century, जब ये the reality of
Oh.
it is कि कितना मतलब
Hmm.
it's a harsh life. So she has to time travel and then she lives that life जो कि वो social media पे portray करते हैं.
Oh.
It's a big concept. The criticism for trad wives, there's a lot of backlash against it as well because they are kind of
Hmm.
glamorizing the life which is not really there. Kyuki like they'll wear
Yeah.
like very good clothes
It's not practical. Yeah.
and they'll show you have this peaceful life जिसमें तुम्हें बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ता and you're just like being such a good mom,
Hmm.
and in the reality if you are a stay-at-home mother you don't have that kind of life. You have a very
Yeah.
very different, especially if you are normal. If you're extremely rich, then
Yeah.
yeah, of course you have a lot of help.
It's very chaotic. Yeah.
Yeah, so and a lot of career women I've seen, they have had backlash against this trad wife concept. Ki why
Hmm.
are we actually going back in time? Why are we promoting this kind
Yeah.
of lifestyle which we fought against? Staying at home
Yeah.
and having multiple children. If you look at India versus America, they have had a lot of progress. Things are not rosy here as well, but sometimes when you do not know the struggles that have led to where you are as privileged,
Yeah.
you take it for granted and then you're, yeah, it's okay. I love this lifestyle. Why go back? Why go back to work
Hmm.
culture? And if I can just stay at home and enjoy my life. But the reality is not that rosy.
Yeah. Obviously, it's not that rosy. Staying at home thing is far more difficult than going out and doing something.
Nothing, you have to do a lot even if you have kid. This woman,
Yeah,
Nara
actually.
Smith, she has a net worth of $6 million, which is
Oh wow.
like more than 50 crores. So basically, she has 11 million followers on TikTok. She's not a traditional trad wife. She's
Yeah,
making quite
that's
a lot
not.
of
Yeah.
money by promoting that lifestyle. So that's the other part
Hmm.
of it. Social media पे क्या दिखता
So
है?
basically,
A lot of women struggle with this concept, which is being nice. And I struggle with it as well. And I was seeing this video which claimed that when you are a nice woman, you are more prone to having autoimmune diseases.
oh
Yeah, there's this famous Canadian physician, Gabor Mate. Have you heard of him? He's
no.
a physician and he's internet famous. He's actually written a few books as well about mental health, trauma, PTSD, all that stuff. And in one of his books, he had mentioned that autoimmune diseases, matlab, we know autoimmune diseases, women are more prone to them, right? So one of
Yeah.
the theories, according to him, is that women are more prone to being people pleasers and saying yes
Mhm.
continuously, putting other people's interest over theirs.
Right.
Yeah. And so when you start rejecting yourself in a way by putting other people first every single time, your body eventually, the
Mhm.
immune system starts
Oh.
rejecting you in a way. So,
Oh
which,
my God.
and honestly, I had a hunch that autoimmune diseases probably are emotional repression ki wajah se, because when you're not able to clearly express yourself, your anger, especially
Mhm.
emotionally, it leads to something in your body, which eventually chronically leads to all these problems. Do you think
That's
being nice
interesting.
is a good thing or a bad thing? What is the difference between being nice and being kind?
No, I think being nice is not a good thing.
Yeah.
Being nice means you can't say no to anything. You're on a tendency to say yes first.
Mm.
Unless and until कुछ ज़्यादा ही grave हो जाए और आप वो कर ही ना पाओ वो चीज़, you always are on a yes mode.
Mm.
Being kind is a different thing. Being kind means that okay, you are helping other person.
Mm.
I think I have been nice a lot
Mm.
to a lot to a time where I couldn't take it anymore.
Mm.
And then when I said no, it was a clear no from me.
Mm.
And you feel so lightweight when you start saying no.
Mm.
You think that you are the worst person in the whole world, but it doesn't matter. At one point in my life, I was like, कि, I'm a bitch. You can say whatever you want to me, but मुझे जो करना है मैं वही करूँ. I'm not listening to anyone now. I've been nice enough.
Mm.
I'm done now.
Mm.
Not being nice is the nicest thing you can do to yourself.
I had seen a short somewhere. There was this person who was talking about being nice and being kind, and he's like, In society, being nice is seen as a good trait, which it is not. You look at nurses, they are not necessarily
Mm.
very nice, but they are
Yeah.
very kind. They'll get you things, they
Mm.
will help you, but they wouldn't try to do things just to show that they are good people.
Yeah.
And I think that is the main difference between nice and kind, is like niceness comes from this fear कि if I don't help you,
Yeah.
or if I don't do things the way you want to be done, you then I will come across as a bad person, and then no, you will reject
Yeah.
me. While kindness comes from just this need to help other
It
people.
comes from the heart.
Yeah, it's an
Yeah.
internal thing versus an external thing.
Yeah.
And in our Southeast Asian culture,
Mm.
male, especially with women, it is ingrained in us to be nice,
Yeah.
to keep our needs as little less, and to let other people's needs
Yeah.
be more important. And
To keep others
to keep
happy.
others happy, to maintain peace, not be into conflicts,
Yeah.
not show displeasure, to never say no, and just sanskari, I guess that is the right word for it,
Yeah.
which is just
Yeah.
diminish who you are, what your needs are, and expectations are, and
Totally.
just let other people live their lives and mold yourself to other people's needs. And
Yeah. And जिनके लिए आप सब कुछ करते हो, you become nice for the other people. आप सब कुछ करते हो, they take it for
of
granted. I
course,
don't say कि they don't care, but they just take it for
yeah,
granted.
the more nicer you are, the more it is expected out of you. And if you're not nice
Yeah.
one time, then it becomes,
You're a bad
oh,
person then.
versus someone who's always like, मेरी ये boundaries and this is what I want. And then that if that person sometime does good things, then people are like, wow, that person is so good. It's the opposite effect. But yeah,
Yeah. Actually.
one of my theories ki the reason why women in general are nicer as compared to men is because when people discuss their children, and one of the things they say is ki
Mm.
girls are easier to manage, girls are nicer.
Yeah.
So there's always this expectation out of even a small child कि अगर एक लड़का होगा
Mm.
तो इट्स ओके, वो लड़का ही है, लड़के ऐसे ही होते हैं। वर्सेस अगर एक लड़की है,
Yeah.
oh no, like a girl has to be
Mm.
nice, coy, smiley, entertain other people,
Yeah.
and not misbehave, which contributes to this problem
Too much
because
pressure.
expectation जो already built up होती है बचपन से ही, that girls
Yeah.
have to conform to a certain measure. और
No.
फिर जब बड़े होते तो ऑफ कोर्स many of us are told ऐसे बिहेव करो, वैसे बिहेव करो, ये करो, वो करो.
Ah. Oh God.
I was trying to find what could undo this thing because even I have this quite a lot. I struggle with this idea. I'm not able to put my preferences in, like अगर कोई restaurant में बैठे and there are multiple people sitting, I wouldn't be the one
Mm.
कि oh my preference is this, so everybody, I'm always like yeah yeah जो भी है कर लो. Sometimes it's fine, but I don't think it's a good attitude to have in general
Mm.
because then you're just putting yourself down in everything. So I was trying to find out
Yeah.
solutions for that. One of the things was you should feel okay with disappointing other people from time to time.
Yes. Feel that it's not your responsibility to make everyone happy.
Yeah.
Because you can't. You can't make everyone happy.
Yeah.
जो भी तुम्हारे सामने तुम सबको खुश नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
Right? So that should be the main priority कि तुम you should be happy from within whatever you are doing. If you're not happy from within, don't do it.
Mm.
Don't do it for the sake of others' happiness because you won't be able to satisfy them. Then it's okay. Once you become a not nice person, if you become a bad girl once, it's okay then. It's fine. Then nobody messes with you.
It's very liberating if you're not always thinking about other people's moods and how
Yes, it is.
whatever you're doing is going to affect them.
And you know what? If you start just thinking about yourself,
Hmm.
it gives you a lot of energy to work on yourself.
Hmm.
You can achieve such level of success in your life if you start focusing on yourself that and I have achieved things which I never thought I would be able to do.
Hmm.
Once I started focusing on myself कि okay, बाकी सब is a blur,
Hmm.
भाड़ में जाए बाकी सब कुछ, your happiness, you should have your priorities.
Hmm.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, focus on that.
Hmm.
If you focus on that, you have so much of peace and energy within yourselves कि आपके पास इतने सारे ऑप्शंस और अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती हैं दैट वो आपको दिखती ही नहीं है व्हेन यू आर जस्ट प्लीजिंग अदर पीपल.
Hmm. Yeah. So like
So that is very
one of
liberating.
the solution is to be okay with the idea of disappointing other people One of the other things one can do in this case is have some boundaries. I think people who are nice do
Yes, of
not
course.
have laid out their boundaries because to them the word boundary is hard. क्योंकि they feel if I have a boundary, if I say नहीं मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, then everybody else would be like no 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 that can't happen. And nice people are
Yeah.
always trying to adjust themselves. You should
Yeah.
have a
It just
clear non like negotiable boundaries. If you really care about something, have those boundaries
yes.
and clearly communicate to the other person, because sometimes nice people can be passive aggressive as well. They won't communicate what they want and
Yeah.
then they'll inside cribbing. So it's better to actively communicate your boundaries and try doing that. It's a hard thing to
Yeah.
undo.
Yeah, it needs you'll need a lot of strength to do that. It's not very easy thing to do. It's easy to be nice.
Mm.
It's very difficult to not be nice. So,
Yeah.
but if you really want to give yourself your time, your energy, your peace to yourself, you have to disappoint people.
There's this very famous movie, Julia Roberts ki, I think, Runaway Bride.
Oh yeah,
Something where she is running away from
from
each
every
and
marriage.
every.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then ultimately there was this very famous scene in the movie which is like she tells her romantic lead. One of the things in the movie is she changes her preferences according to her partner. So the eggs
Mm.
she likes is based on her partner, not on her. And then
Yeah,
eventually
yeah,
she's
yeah.
sitting down in an inn and she's eating and she tells her the guy, she tells him, this is my favorite egg. And he's like,
Yeah.
what? She's like, you wanted to know what is my favorite breakfast egg. And she's like, this is what I like. So she finally understands what she likes
Mm.
rather than, and this is something I see so much in everyone around me. You ask women, preference, what do you like, XYZ? And they will either tell you the preference of their children or their husbands. They will
Yeah.
never be like, कि, I like this. It happens with me as well. I was like observing, मुझे कुछ खाने में पसंद होता है. So, and if my husband doesn't like it, naturally by default, I'll stop cooking it and just make whatever he's making. And now with my daughter. And I'm like, yeah, this is such a weird thing to do. Like, you're just putting yourself in the end and you're just forgetting your preferences.
When you have kids, you have partners, women do suppress their needs and their preferences and put others' needs in front.
And
But
how
it
do you
happens.
get over it? Like, how do you get over this idea that, especially when you have a kid, that you just by default become that person? I have by default become that person that, of course, I have to put my child's needs over mine. Like, even when
Mm,
I'm pregnant
yeah.
and sometimes I get very hungry, but I have to put my child's need over mine because it's a child. So, and once that
Yeah.
child grows up, that habit doesn't change. You still are that person who's putting your child and then even your own
Mm,
husband's needs over your own needs. So this is some kind of a trap you cannot get out of. I feel like it becomes a habit of putting other people. I see like older generation mein jo women hai, I see even my mom and they
mm,
all do that by just, and they probably don't even know that they are doing that. Like, how do you not do
yeah.
that?
I think you have to change your habit. जैसे-जैसे बच्चे बड़े होते हैं, like my kid is now going to be 10. So अब हैबिट्स चेंज हो रही हैं उसकी भी, तो आपको खुद की भी करनी चाहिए. Like it's okay. It's okay to prioritize yourself sometimes. If I'm
Hmm.
having something, then if you don't want it, it's okay. It's fine. And
Hmm.
kids learn to prioritize their needs as well when you do that. It's
Hmm.
it's it's not always going to be their way. बट आई थिंक कॉन्शियसली अगर आप करो तो शायद आप अपनी हैबिट्स चेंज कर सकते हो, बट छोटे बच्चों के साथ नहीं कर सकते. आई थिंक 5-6 साल तक तो यू कांट वी
Hmm.
एज मदर्स थिंक कि नहीं, जो बच्चा कर रहा है हम उसी के साथ घुसे रहें, घुसे रहें, घुसे रहें.
Yeah. So you have to actively like
यस,
cultivate that.
इफ दे आर रिजेक्टेड बाय देयर
Mm.
ओन मदर, दे बिकम कॉन्फिडेंट कि बाहर भी उन्हें कोई भी रिजेक्ट कर सकता है. दे शुड नो हाउ टू डील विद रिजेक्शन. बट वंस
Mm.
यू नो कि आपके बच्चे को नो समझ में आ रहा है, it's
Mm.
beneficial for both of you. You have your own life. You do your stuff, they'll do their stuff, and then you can do stuff together. He can say no,
Mhm.
you can also say no.
Hmm. Yeah, that's a good point. Like, you have to make sure they are ready for the real world. Like, not
Yeah.
everything will go according to what they want in life. So they should be okay with the no's as well. Just
Yeah.
like we should be okay saying no
Yeah.
as women. So yeah, that's good. Good point. Yeah. Hmm.
और हस्बैंड्स को तो शुरू से ही नो बोलना शुरू कर दो, वो तो बड़े हो गए हैं, उनका बच्चा नहीं निकलने वाला नहीं तो ऐसे ना बाहर जब भी नो
That's
हाँ,
true.
okay, so I have a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
I saw it this on Reddit. So, what's the first thing you would do if you woke up as opposite gender? Imagine you waking up as an opposite gender. What will you do?
Of course, I would, see what is inside my pants because I need to make sure. Okay, what? Oh, okay. I'll go pee.
Oh, that's a nice answer. Right. So people have commented a lot of things on this one. It's a really nice
Huh.
one.
Uh-huh.
So this one, the first person says, "I'll scream in terror."
Is this a boy or a girl? Why
It's
would
a
you
boy,
scream?
I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah, yeah. That's a bad deal you're getting
yeah, I
in
think
this world.
yeah.
And imagine if you woke up as a pregnant female
Oh my
from a
god.
man. 8 months pregnant. Okay.
Oh
That would be
gosh.
crazy. You're getting the
Someone has
best
written,
deal.
try aiming my stream and peeing the poo stains off the sides of the toilet like my ex apparently did when he claimed cleaning the toilet.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Then someone has said that I would be really horrified because then I have to inform my parents, my driving license, my passport, everything needs to be changed because I have changed.
Okay. And you have to notify your significant other as well.
Yeah, everyone you have
Are
to
they okay?
notify everyone.
Are they okay with the relationship if you are a straight person? Mm. Yeah.
Then someone has written, I don't know that I really care one way or the other. The most inconvenient part of it would be having to explain to friends and family that I got magicked into being a woman in the middle of the night somehow. That and having to buy a whole new wardrobe to fit my new frame. And then again,
Oh,
having to get the government to change my info because what's on my driver license is no longer accurate.
wow. But yeah, is that the first thing you would think of? Ooh. What would your first thing be?
I would like, obviously, look what kind of organs I have now.
Is it big? Is it small?
Yeah, and how do I look in a male body? I mean, I've not imagined that ever, but I would like to see myself in a mirror. Ki how do I look like? And then explaining that to my
Hopefully,
kid.
good looking male.
Hopefully, yeah. Yeah, but imagine you are a girl and you change into a man and you are like a girly man now. So it's like you have the same face and you have the same skin, but in a man's body, it could go either way. It could go wrong or it could go right.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be a man, actually.
No, I don't
Uh,
want to be a man.
yeah, I'm just very used to being a woman, so I'm
Yeah, I
used to
think
my emotional.
nobody wants to be in a male
Never
body.
say no. There are a lot of people who want to change their genders.
Yeah, actually.
A lot of people fantasize, a lot of people they actually do change their genders.
In a planned way is different, but just suddenly waking up in another body is it's quite horrifying and surprising.
Hmm. Yeah. Although I wouldn't mind trading for a man's body currently. So I'm done. Yeah. If you
Share
ask
it
a
with your
pregnant woman,
husband.
if you ask a pregnant woman, maybe the answer might be, oh yeah, she's
Yes.
really going to be happy with all the male organs. Kuch karna nahi padta.
Yeah. Imagine you can have that wish that in ninth month you can swap with your husband. And
Oh
then after
wow.
that would
I
be
would
great.
actually swap my first 3 months more than
Oh,
anything
really?
else. Yeah,
And
yeah.
then the last day of giving
Then
birth.
the last month plus the last के वो जो दो
Postpartum. Postpartum as well.
postpartum. Yeah, that is more horrifying than anything else. Yeah, that I would want to swap with a guy. But
Yeah.
fun question. Mhm. So that was a very fun chat session. I really enjoyed our talk today.
Yeah, it was actually a very good session with all the drama and the serious talks that we had, and the ending was quite funny. I liked that.
So let's meet next week and discuss something else.
Yeah, see you next week then.
Ciao.
Bye.
मुझे बड़ा funny लगता है ये ऐसे बोलना